Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about the rename operator in DIVEX. So this code here is written in a language called composition language 1. So here I have a program class and a main method, and here I'm using the math.sign method from the .NET framework, and this method has a parameter of type double called a, and it returns a double, right? Now here what I'm doing, I'm renaming the a parameter to be angle, right? And here I'm using the square bracket syntax to do so. Now if I look at the signature of this sign function, the one in the local variable, now the parameter is called angle. Of course the original function here, it still has its parameter called a, right? So in DIVEX when we use an operator, we don't modify the original function, we create a new function, right? And this is a usage of the rename operator, right? And this is the original syntax for that operator. Now this syntax is not really nice, and this is why I have created composition language 1, so that you can use a syntax like this one here, right? Okay, so now sign and sign2 are exactly the same. They take an angle parameter and return double. Okay. So here I'm calling the sign function 2 times, passing 1 and 2 as arguments, right? Okay, so let me run this example using Ctrl Shift and X, and here I'm getting sign of 1 and then sign of 2. Okay, so the reason renaming parameters are important in DIVEX is because DIVEX allows you to delay the specification of parameters to a later moment, right? Now take the example of this sign function here, right? So in this sign function, the parameter a is understandable in this context, right? Because we understand this is a sign function, so a is most likely an angle, right? But if you compose the sign function with 5 functions and delay the specification of the a parameter, then you will get a function that contains many parameters. One of them is a, and in that context a will not be understandable, but angle might be better understandable. So in another video I talked about the document translation example, and in that example I have demonstrated how rename can be used to rename parameters so that they are understandable after composing many functions, and I will be putting a link to that video in the description box of this video. Okay, so if you would like to learn more about DIVEX, please subscribe to this channel, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. Okay, thank you for watching.